Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going well. So today I'm gonna talk to you about a new website. It's called Gumroad. So first thing, let me give you a short idea about it. The Gumroad is an e-commerce platform for creators to sell digital products directly to their audience. It offers an easy to use interface, customizable storefront, payment processing, content control, and analytics. Its integration options. Okay, it's very easy. Now to get started with Gumroad, simply head on over to gumroad.com. Like this, and plus enter. So this is the website. It's very colorful and very easy to use. Here you'll find all the reviews and comments about it. To know more about this website, so looking for inspiration on what you can sell. Okay, discover the best-selling products and creatures to Gumroad. The 3D perfects your craft with the same tools used DreamWorks and Pixar. We have audio, businesses and money, comics and graphic novels, design, drawing and painting, education, fiction books, film, fitness, health, gaming, music, sound design, photography, recorded music, and there is more. It's independent on you. That means what you want to do in this Gumroad website. So we will come back to this page later to see its features key. Now we will start selling. But first, let us make or create account. From here, we have different choices that if we need connect with Facebook, with Twitter's, or with Strip. Okay, create account, email. I will enter my email now. Susan. Password. And create account. It's been created. So they ask us a question. Select all squares with crosswalk. Okay, this and this. So there's a lot of this. Okay, verify. So welcome to Gumroad. We create the account successfully. Here to create your first product, we're here to help you to get paid for your work. Okay, that means if you sell a product, you will be paid. That's not free. Upsells have arrived. It's finally here. You can add on click upsell and cross sales to the Gumroad. Okay, we will just click this one. It's not important. Get in start, customize your profile, get your first follower, get your first payout, create your first product, make your first sale. Okay, the first one you're gonna do it's to create your product. This is the first one you will do it. Okay, send out your first. Okay, let's check out everyone from these. Try to check it out. So here you will press the name of your product, like examples. Designed t-shirts, The type, you will choose your type, and the price that you want to sell your product in it. It's by the dollars. Okay, if you want to change the currency, you will go just to the setting. Okay, let's come back to see another thing. Now let's check it out. Customize your profile, the username, the name. Let's press our name. Okay, if you follow me for post on what I am creating. Okay, creating like example design t-shirts. Here you will just write whatever you want, whatever you design. Okay, that means the purpose that why you are in Gumroad. You can plus this link on Twitter to connect. We have here design. We have the background color, highlights color. We have here the default source order. We have here different thing. Okay, let's come back to see another thing. Let's make your first sale on, okay, get your first follow. Let's check out this one. Let's try. Okay, this is how you find your followers. You see here, trying to build your email list. This is the way how you can get your first followers. So you need just to read it. Okay, come back from here. So there's more here. You just need to check it out to know what is content. Okay, activity from here. Now, if we want to log out or sign out from our account, we need to plus setting and sign out from all active settings. Yes, sign out. And we sign out successfully. So this is how you can create accounts and use this beautiful website Gumroad. So if you like the video, please follow for more and subscribe. And bye bye to the next video and the next website.